Hi. In this recipe, we are going to cook egg whites without using any additional oil. This will really help to increase the protein in your diet while not adding extra fat. So, first thing we're gonna do is I take this ramekin. It's 4 inches in diameter. I will link it in the description. This egg whites I get them from Costco. You can get them at any grocery store. But if you're gonna be doing this high protein macro counting diet like I am, then you're gonna use a lot of egg whites. I eat this pretty much in some form or fashion every single day. So we're gonna grab our scale. Okay, we grab a scale, put our ramekin on there, zero it out. I want to do 100 grams. I found that 100 grams really works well with this ramekin because as it cooks, as it starts to cook, you'll notice that the egg whites get taller and taller and taller, but then they come back down. So this is a perfect size. I got my 100 grams. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. While that cooks, I want to just tell you a little bit about my story. I am a dad of 4 kids. I'm on a mission to change my life and lose 70 pounds over the next year. Please follow me. You can like and subscribe to this video and follow my journey. All right, so this has come out of the microwave and it is a little bit squishy, but no liquid. You want to make sure there's no liquid egg whites. If you do have a little bit of liquid egg whites in there still, pop it in there for 30 more seconds. Now from here, this is ready to go. This is ready to eat. Now, we can add some things. We can put some cheese on there, salsa, definitely some salt. You know, you can really, this is kind of a blank canvas for flavors. Next, we're gonna do a slight variation on this egg white recipe. This is just as easy, but we're gonna add up a little protein a little bit. Now, I'm gonna use the same method that we just did, but I'm gonna add some of these chicken sausages that I got from Costco. Again, huge bag. But you can use any kind of sausage, but these are sausage links. The macros in them for 3 links, which is the serving size, it's 100 calories, it is 7 grams of fat, and 0 grams of carbohydrates, but 9 grams of protein. So it's gonna up our protein content quite a bit for this recipe. Same thing, we're gonna start out. I got my scale. We're gonna put my 4-inch ramekin on there. We're gonna do our 100 grams. Gonna reach in, I'm gonna take my the serving size is 3, so I'm just gonna put them right in there, okay? We're not gonna cut them, we're gonna put them in their whole. Make sure they're in there in the egg whites. And in the microwave for 3 minutes. While that's cooking, again, I wanna ask you to like and subscribe to this channel. All the likes, all the shares, all the subscriptions really help us get seen by more people. We're a new channel, we're really looking forward to helping out a ton of people. Check out some of our other videos. One of the other videos that go along with egg whites is I made an egg white breakfast sandwich that has been our most popular video to date. It is a 5-minute recipe. It is so good and the macros are insane. All right, so here we go. I pulled this out of the microwave. Now we have our egg whites and our chicken sausages. I'm gonna just do the same thing. I'm gonna eat it right out of this container. Okay, right out of this container. It's not pretty, it's just breakfast, right? Boom. I got it all mixed up in there. The sausages are nice and heated through. It's just such a simple recipe, and it has a ton of protein. I'm going to put up the macros on the screen and in the description. Please check it out.